GMT generally rose 36.35% in 7 days, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Bull control GMT's most certainly current cost activities, which especially is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN really is drifting at $346,717,663, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Current STEPN cost truly is $0.2904 November 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What sort of is essentially momentary cost expectation for STEPN? For the most part is GMT a very wise interest in a sort of huge manner. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on in a significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping kind of profound into the GMT specialized examination, in a real sense let us discuss the very current economic situations in a by and large enormous manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,295,563,241,888 in an unpretentious manner. The kind of absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $32,247,487,270, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%. Kind of additional appearance, how Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25%, showing how bull control GMT's especially current cost activities, or so they generally thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time span, which really is very critical. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere near 0.19 and right now exchanging at 61 cents, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which truly shows that current STEPN cost by and large is $0.2904 November 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what generally is transient cost expectation for STEPN, certainly is GMT in especially wise interest in a kind of enormous manner. These occasions essentially show that the market really is going in a for the most part descending heading for kind of present moment, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN truly is drifting at $346,717,663, which sort of is genuinely huge. Right now, a very broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they basically thought. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that right now, an extremely broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers sort of become considerably more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which dealers generally become move exceptionally dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that as of now, a genuinely broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a really significant manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, really is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week, so current STPN cost especially is $0.2904 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through STPN cost examination for now or for the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is transient cost expectation for STPN, for the most part is GMT a sort of wise speculation. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, showing how support for the most part is a level at which purchasers explicitly become in every practical sense, all the more by and large dynamic, and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense is very critical. There by and large are very nearly 1,104,192,453, especially are available for use out of 5,566,425,803 in an unobtrusive manner. STPN value examination GMT cost investigation for 04 November 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, which especially shows that GMT essentially rose 36.35% in 7 days in an especially huge manner. We utilize really relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the STPN in an especially enormous manner by and large. The exceptionally relative strength file, RSI, shows that the GMT coin essentially is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is at 37, exhibiting that bull control GMT's really current cost activities, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. While GMT's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal for the most part is essentially conceivable at this reach, so right now, a truly broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line really is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, showing how stepn value examination GMT cost investigation for 04 November 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, most certainly made sense of underneath, which especially shows that GMT by and large rose 36.35% in 7 days, or so they basically thought. STPN financial backers need to by and large hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day outline, which generally shows that GMT explicitly rose 36.35% in 7 days in an